Hey guys, I'm doing an unboxing today. It's been a while. As you can tell, I cut my hair and it's shorter. How do you guys like it? Do you like the short hair? I'm considering going shorter because it's super dead. I bleached it a bunch of times, like almost over a dozen times. But yeah, I don't know yet. Let me know what you guys think. But yeah, here I'm doing the unboxing. So it came in this box right here. The seller was super nice and I bought it off eBay. I haven't gotten a chance to authenticate it yet, but it looks really good. I asked the seller to do overnight shipping and she did. Not a lot of people do overnight shipping, so yeah. Oh, it's so cute. She put hearts on it. Oh, how sweet. I love how it's packaged. Okay, so here is the item. Ta-da! As you can tell, it's from Louis Vuitton. So she did send the original receipt along with the item. So this was purchased back in 2017. And I don't think the price is on here. Is it? Nope, it's not on here. If you hear some noise, my son is right here. Yeah, it's not on here. The price isn't on here. But you guys could probably guess what it is. Oh, it's so cute. Has a little bow on it. It's so sweet. Okay. Okay. Here's the little item. Here's the dust bag. Ta-da! Oh my gosh. It's way smaller than I expected. So here's my head. Here's the bag. So this is the Louis Vuitton Nano Noe. And the straps are not adjustable. She stuffed it for me. This little thing. Has a little smell to it, but it's okay. So honestly, the only wear that I see on here is this little tag. You can see it's red, and then you can see the date code down there. Oh, how cute. I mean, obviously the leather has patinaed a little bit, but yeah, I love it. It's so cute. I'm gonna get it authenticated, of course. This is from 2017. Love it. Okay, let me back up and show you guys how it looks on me. For reference, I'm 4'11", 5 foot on good days, and I'm a size 10-8 in my clothes. I don't know if that makes a difference, but yeah. What are you doing?
Oh my God. Not shush. Oh my God. Ow. Oh my God.
See the little one right there? Oh, it's so cute. And then obviously you just pull it to cinch it up a little bit. Ooh, actually I want to see how that looks. Because when you cinch it up, it does look a little smaller. Or maybe not. Alright, so I just grabbed some stuff to put in here. So I have my Gucci Super Mini. I'm just going to put the chains in here. I'm just gonna show you for reference what it looks like. So the Gucci Super Mini is taller, but it does fit in here. It sticks out a little bit, but if you wanted to use the Gucci Super Mini as like a catch-all, you definitely could. And obviously my camera that I'm filming with, it doesn't fit in here, but it does fit in here. Okay, so I have my phone, a key clay, a passport holder, and there's still plenty of room. This is the bag that I'm currently using. It's the Chanel Cruise Collection 2016 and the chevron. They're having a ball over here. I have my checkbook. That's how it looks. I have gum, my Chanel or Louis Vuitton clay, my keys, and there's still plenty of space. If you go like this, you could probably still fit this. Let's see. If you maneuver them. Oh my gosh, it fits. Oh wow, this fits a ton.
No.
Oh, I love it. It fits so much. And obviously you can still cinch it up if you wanted to. So cute. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of my unboxing of this Louis Vuitton Nano Noe. And oh, I forgot to tell you, so I purchased this for $8.50. It currently retails for $1,100, and then if you do expedited shipping, then you pay for that. But yeah, I was talking to Tabby on here on YouTube, and she said it wasn't a good deal, but honestly I couldn't find anything less than that, so I'm kind of happy now. I kind of want the Speedy Nano now, but yes, I love it. If Louis Vuitton would come out with the Speedy 20, I'd probably get that, but I don't really like how big the Speedy looks on me. But anyways, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.